Okay, listen up. We're on a mission. Operation Comfort Food Overload. Objective: we'll build a fish pie so structurally unsound with deliciousness it could single-handedly revive the casserole. First, we need to assemble our agents. Agent Potato, diced into uniform cubes. He's going undercover in a pot of boiling water to soften up for his big, cheesy transformation. The flavor trio, onion, celery, and carrot, finely chopped. The mirepoix mob. They run the savory side of town. And the sleeper agent, 2 humble, unassuming eggs, hard-boiled, peeled, and waiting in the wings. Their mission? Espionage, to hide inside the pie and deliver creamy, rich surprises. Let's begin! Melt the butter. In go the mirepoix mob. We're sweating them gently, not browning. We need information, not a confrontation. Meanwhile, at the auxiliary station, Agent Potato is bubbling away, completely oblivious to the egg and cheese destiny that awaits him. He thinks he's just going to be mashed. Poor, naive spud. Back to the pan. The mob is soft and talking. Time for the binder. Sprinkle in the flour. The roux. Cook it for precisely 1 minute to eliminate the flavor of, well, regret. Now, the plot thickens. Pour in the fish stock. This is our deep cover informant, adding a layer of savory intrigue milk could never provide. Then, the dairy cavalry, milk, and a glorious glug of heavy cream. Whisk like you're diffusing a bomb. Watch it morph from questionable paste to undeniable luxury. Season with confidence. Add the lemon zest, the flash of genius that cuts the richness. Operation: covert eggs. Quarter your hard-boiled sleeper agents. Gently fold them into your luxurious sauce along with the flaky fish and peas. They will disappear into the creamy landscape, only to be discovered later as glorious, edible treasure. Act 2. The Great Potato Makeover. Agent Potato is drained. He's vulnerable. Now we reveal his true potential, mash him smooth with butter. Then the reinforcements. Egg yolks for golden luxury and a fistful of grated cheese for savory power. This is no longer mash. This is potato supreme. Fit a piping bag with a star tip, fill it with potato supreme, and pipe dramatic swirls over your egg and fish-laden filling. You're not just topping a pie, you're architecting a crunch zone. Assemble your masterpiece, creamy, egg-studded filling, topped with the piped, cheesy potato fortress, a final brush of butter for maximum browning, and into the oven. For 25 to 30 minutes of agonizing aromatic anticipation, behold the golden glory, the crispy-topped, egg-surprised, fish-filled monument to decadence. That right there, that's the sound of a mission accomplished, and the crunch of someone just biting into a hidden pocket of creamy egg. Total victory. Full mission parameters, aka the recipe, are in the description. If this operation was a success, signal your approval with the like button. Subscribe for weekly briefings.